4 Attitudes of a Man Who Is in Love in Silence. What a man who has fallen in love feels does not always come to light, so he usually engages in behaviors that repeatedly give him away. Some of them are very direct while others do not know how to express what overflows them and end up being signals for the other person. However, it is still intense. Know what these symptoms are and what they do to know if he likes you. 1. Watches you. Since it is very difficult for him to express what he feels, he is content with contemplative acts. Watching and observing become a favorite pastime. Even if you do not realize it, he is in a comfortable position as an omniscient narrator, knowing what your movements are, but be careful not to turn sharply or you will embarrass him. 2. He is where you are. Always looks for the way to be present where you are. He will try to take every opportunity to cross paths with you. Remember that chance is almost never fulfilled in these cases. Worry if it is a friend who has this conduct because he could be in love with you silently. 3. Sends anonymous gifts. Being a somewhat romantic soul, he will send you many details without signatures that go from the flowers or roses in your house or in your place of work or else handwritten letters of the classic secret admirer. Although it seems childish, he does not find another way to express what he feels and sees in this way a method of approach. 4. Talks to other people about you. When he is in the stage of falling in love, he idolizes the person he loves and minimizes her defects and other imperfections. In this sense, he will discuss with his closest environment the wonderful experience of being attracted to someone. As in the rest of the signs, he will be very aware of you. Source: https://mujerpandora.com. To learn more about 4 Attitudes of a Man Who Is in Love in Silence, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, comment and download the book free by clicking the image on the right or the link in the description below.